Here we have a 27-foot Jayco Granite Ridge Class C motorhome coach with only 24,000 miles on it. It has a Ford V10 engine and an automatic transmission. Some features include a quiet generator, power inverter, power patio awning and window awning, roof AC, outside entertainment center with stereo and is wired for a TV, outside barbecue grill, outside shower, power steps, 2 slide-outs, basement storage, 1 skylight and bath, power leather captain chairs. In the spacious bedroom, there is a walk-around queen bed, ceiling fan with remote, and a wardrobe closet. In the bathroom, there is a toilet, shower, vanity, and linen closet. The kitchen includes a 3-burner stove, oven, microwave convection oven, refrigerator, freezer, double sink, and corner countertops. The entertainment center has a TV antenna booster, Sirius radio, stereo system, and is wired for a satellite dish. Day and night shades, linoleum flooring, beige carpeting, and maple cabinetry add to this color scheme of this beautiful smoke-free coach. So call for more information at 855-882-6670 today.